What I wish I knew about AI instead of just surfing cat videos. Buckle up, tech enthusiasts. Artificial intelligence is changing the game, and staying on top of the latest trends is your ticket to the future. So, what's hot right now in AI now? First up, natural language processing, or NLP. Imagine chatbots and virtual assistants that actually get you. That's NLP, making machines talk like humans. Next, AI ethics and governance. With great power comes great responsibility, right? Ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems is crucial. And then we have edge AI. Think of it as bringing the brain closer to the action. AI models on edge devices mean faster, real-time processing. Explainable AI, or XAI, is another biggie. You want to know why your AI made a certain decision? XAI gives you the answers, building trust and clarity. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing everything from diagnostics to personalized medicine. Better patient outcomes are just the beginning. Automated machine learning, or auto-ML, is making AI more accessible. Even if you're not an expert, you can build and deploy AI models. Finally, AI and IoT integration. Imagine your smart devices getting a whole lot smarter. Enhanced data analysis and automation are the future. By embracing these trends, you're not just keeping up, you're staying ahead. Ready to transform with AI? The future is now.